The body of a man was found wrapped in a clear plastic bag on Calabar Road in Kingston on Wednesday night. The police say the body is of a dark complexion, about 5 feet 11 inches long, has a low-cut hairstyle and appears to be in its late 20s to early 30s. The body was clad in a black shirt with a picture of a headphone and black shorts. The police report at about 10:40 p.m. residents stumbled upon the body and raised an alarm. On arrival of the police, the body was seen wrapped in a clear plastic bag. The scene was processed and the body was removed to the morgue for a post-mortem. Anyone who may be able to identify the body or assist the police in their investigation is asked to contact the Denham Town Criminal Investigation Branch or the Police 119 emergency number. 2 sanitation workers employed to the National Solid Waste Management Authority were shot about 10:30 a.m. Wednesday while collecting garbage in Portmore, St. Catherine. One of the men, Satis James, has since succumbed to his injuries while the other has been admitted to hospital in serious condition. It is reported that the men were in process of collecting household waste in the Portsmouth area when they were attacked by gunmen who opened fire on them. They were rushed to hospital where James was pronounced dead on arrival. The other worker was admitted. Executive Director of the NSWMA, Ollie Gordon, has condemned the killing of James. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is now in mourning following the death of one of its inspectors on Monday. Observer Online understands that Inspector Franklin Hunter passed away whilst on vacation while in the United States. Hunter was assigned to the Mount Salem Police Station and Zone 3 in St. James. The circumstances surrounding his death was not made public. However, the JCF said it stands together with his family and the members of the Mount Salem Police Station and Zone 3. The police say charges are pending against a veteran female dancehall entertainer in relation to the seizure of a gun at her home in Portmore, St. Catherine. The artist has been in custody since the recovery on Sunday, May 21. The police report that the cops attached to St. Catherine South Division were on an operation in the Greater Portmore area during which a premises was searched. According to the police, a handgun was discovered hidden among items of clothing. The female occupant was subsequently taken into custody on suspicion of breaches of the Firearm Act. The police say investigations are ongoing.